working with Ishow hair today. They gave me the wig cap, and this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig in the inch 24. The texture is loose deep, and yeah, I never worked with loose deep hair, but to me loose deep and body wave is like so similar. So yeah, so off camera I went ahead and bleached my knots, and right here I'm just going in and plucking and plucking and plucking until I get it looking very, very natural. So to me, I feel like when I pluck, I have to pluck when the hair is kind of wet. I just get a better result than trying to pluck on dry hair. I don't like plucking on dry hair. So for this look, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to, you know, just be creative. So I started off with the middle part. Then I was like, you know what? No, I want to do like a updo. So I ended up doing like these cute little pigtails. Y'all see. But it came out so cute, y'all. Like, yes. So right here, like I said, I'm just molding the hair while the hair is wet. That way I don't have to use as much product in the hair and just, you know, weigh the hair down. So I'm just gonna comb it and make sure everything is nice and neat. Make sure my middle part is as straight as possible. And right here I'm using my Lottie Body foam wrap, and I'm just gonna mold my hair even more and just get my part and my little pigtails sectioned and together. I'm taking a little bit of hair, kind of like when you would form your baby hairs, that amount, and I'm just gonna twist it, and this is gonna be like my little bang area. I'm gonna curl it, like do a little spiral curl. And once I finish with that, I'm gonna go ahead and start to do my pigtails. Okay, so now I'm just sectioning the hair, making sure that my weft isn't showing in the back. I want everything to look nice and seamless. So that's why I'm using my phone, just to lay that hair down. And now I'm gonna form my ponytails. Alright, so once I have my ponytails done, I want to make sure the hair behind it is laying as flat as possible. So I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm going to take that section, pull some of that hair, and overlap it on top of that weft so that it can look like scalp. I don't want my tracks to show. So now I'm going to form my pigtails, and I'm using a rubber band. You know, y'all know how to make a ponytail. So at first I was going to do like two little donut buns like this, but then I realized like the hair is still kind of thin. It's not thick enough for me to actually form it. So to further assist me, I'm going to use some braiding hair, and I'm going to just, y'all see, it's hard to explain, but I just wrapped it around my pigtails and then started to like twirl it. So all I'm doing right here is just making sure that I mold the hair, that way my tracks and stuff won't show. I want everything to just fall into place. So now I'm going to take that braided hair, and it's kind of like I'm going to hook it onto the ponytail that I made the first time. So I'm going to hook it, and then I'm going to secure it with the rubber band. And once I secure it with the rubber band, I'm going to start to twist it until like a little honey bun. So I did use a bobby pin right here to help me secure the first part of it. That way it won't keep swirling and twirling, and you know, it won't form your bun until you lock it down. So I'm just twirling that braiding hair, and I'm going to start to wrap it around my ponytail. So at this point, I'm going underneath that first initial twist that I did, and I want to make it look like a honeycomb type. You know, it's hard to explain, y'all, but I just wrapped the braiding hair around and around and around until I got like two little cute little puffs. And I'm gonna secure it with some hairspray, and then I'm gonna start to curl this hair. Alright, so now I'm about to start curling the hair, and I don't want any super duper like tight curls. I wanted like a wavy curl. I didn't want to just, you know, do too much because I wasn't sure how it's going to turn out. I was just going with the flow, and I don't know, I like how it came out. It was really cute. So I'm just doing spiral curls on my wand, and I'm using my hairspray to lock those curls in place. And now I'm going to section the hair in between my little honeycombs. Twist those. And all I'm doing is just wrapping my hair around the wand curler. Once again, I'm not putting the curls too tight together. I wanted them to be a little more looser, and right here I'm just gonna comb those curls out. So this gave me like a Spice Girl feel, like a outer space cute little astronaut type thing. I don't know, y'all. But I did think of like Spice Girls when I did this. I was like, okay. So yeah, y'all, this is the completed look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course stay tuned for part 2, because I will be doing my makeup and just overall doing the finished look of this hairstyle.